You're watching Czar Films Variety Channel. Hi and welcome to today's video. Today we're doing a quick open boxing of the Apple iWatch Series 3. We just got this for Christmas. These are running, this is the 38 millimeter space gray aluminum with the sport band, black sport band. And these are running around, I don't know, this is just the GPS model. This one's like $229 right now, something like that. You can get the cellular for a little more than that. So there we have our watch. And our band already all set. And then in here, we have our accessories. Extra band, magnetic charger. Very cool. So you'll have to fish that out. So this is your magnetic charger. So that's the quick open boxing of the Series 3. We're going to power this up, compare it, and show you how to do all that stuff. Okay, we have our new iWatch Series 3 in our iPhone, and we are going to go ahead and set it up. So first you want to power up your iWatch. Okay, so we're powering up the iWatch. So first thing, you want to make sure that your setting is iOS 11 or higher, and that your Wi-Fi is off, and that your data is activated for your carrier. Open your watch app, click Start Pairing. It's going to put your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera. Align it with the viewfinder below. Your Apple Watch is paired. Set up Apple Watch. Left wrist. Connecting your Apple Watch. Okay. Terms and conditions. Agree. Apple ID. So verifying. Enable route tracking. Apple Watch workouts use location to track routes and local weather for outdoor workouts. We're going to enable route tracking. Okay, watch analytics. Help improve its product service. We're going to not share. Location, find my Siri. Okay. Click OK. We're gonna add a passcode later. Skip that setup activity. Continue, we'll enable those. Emergency SOS, continue. Install available apps, install all. Apple Watch is syncing. Your Apple Watch is almost ready. Apple Watch Basics. So the pairing is working. Very exciting. This is my first Apple Watch, by the way. I'm an Apple Watch newbie. It's going to take a little while for it to sync. It's going to give you an alert when it's ready. Little clock timer here on the watch is going to tell you how much time is remaining. Your Apple and phone number are now being used for iMessage and FaceTime on the new Apple Watch. Okay. And your watch is ready. Press the crown to start. And there you are. That's how you pair your new watch. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. please smash that like button and please subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell for any new updates. Thank you so much.